Good afternoon and welcome to the planning briefing for November 5th from Missoula, Montana. Our impact summary, it's going to be a change to a colder and snowier pattern. High snow levels until Saturday above the passes, except at Mariah's Pass where it should start snowing Friday morning. And then the snow levels will drop fast from north to south. A period of moderate snow is expected Sunday morning between midnight and 6 a.m. The best locations are going to be southwest Montana, I-90 east of Missoula and along the Continental Divide. And we could probably add in the southern Bitterroot. It's all going to depend upon the track of the storm. And then an active period is going to continue through next week. We're only going to talk about this weekend in this video, but on Sunday, we'll be telling you about a system on Tuesday, Wednesday that could bring another period of light snow. So today and tomorrow, warm, wet, and windy for northwest Montana. Pretty high QPF totals, rain totals. But from Missoula south and east, it's just going to be warm and windy. We've already hit a record high temperature today here in Missoula. You can expect gusts to 40 in the valley. We're already seeing some gusts like that. And in the mountains, could be up to 50. It's quite breezy out there. Highs 50s, 60s, a little bit cooler tomorrow as the system approaches and there's more clouds. Southwest Montana, be very careful. It's going to be very dry down there. Add in the winds. Have caution if you're outside burning. Saturday, our snow levels are going to rapidly drop from north to south, probably starting in the afternoon. Once again, Mariah's Pass will be snowing from Friday morning. And then that will start to move south during the afternoon on Saturday. Breezy to windy north to northeast winds. Those typical canyons, the east-west canyons, could have gusts up to 30 miles per hour. But for everyone else, the system is going to start so far south and west of us that I'm not expecting it to be too windy widespread. Sunday. This is going to be the main event. As that circulation, mid-level circulation gets close to us, snow levels are going to crash into the valleys, gusty northeast to east winds, better closer to the divide you get, and those typical east-west canyons. There's going to be a widespread 1 to 3 inches of accumulation. The Continental Divide passes 4 to 8 inches, and Mariah's Pass could see a foot plus. Sunday morning, we are looking at an area of moderate snow as this system really starts to intensify and shift its energy east. Best location, we have low confidence, but the best location is going to be southwest Montana, the southern Bitterroot, and along the Continental Divide. All right, so here's our probability of 2 inches of snow ending Sunday afternoon. You're looking at 80% here in Missoula down into the Bitterroot Valley. And then as you get further south and east, that chance is almost 100% to 100%. I do think that you might see a couple inches up in here. But like I said, generally 1 to 3 inches for most people. Excuse me. Probability for 4 inches. South and east of Missoula has the best chances. The closer you get to the Continental Divide, some of those valleys could be looking up to 6 inches. But I think 4 inches is going to be in general for this area right here. All right, let's look at some specific locations. Mariah's Pass is going to be the big winner. All snow starting Friday. But as you can see, look at these temperatures. They're going to hover right around freezing, which is going to inhibit the ability for it to accumulate on the roads. Then Friday evening, it's going to start to accumulate on all surfaces. And you can see around daybreak on Saturday, it's really going to start to come down. You'll start to see east to northeast winds on Friday morning, but they may abate in the afternoon. But then on Saturday and Sunday, they'll become stronger. And that's when you'll see the blowing and reduced visibilities from blowing snow. There's a 62% probability of 8+ inches over the entire storm, and up to 12 to 18 inches is possible. And then on Saturday, as the system pulls away, Sunday evening, as the system pulls away to the east, the winds will start to calm down for good, but cold air will continue for quite some time. Lookout Pass, the snow levels will start to lower on Saturday morning, but here's the problem. The temperature will stay right around freezing until about midday Saturday when it starts to drop off fast, but the best moisture is going to be in that early period when it's a little bit warmer. So we're not sure how much is going to accumulate on the snow, but you can expect moderate rates of snow of a half to possibly as high as an inch an hour during that period. So that would allow for accumulating snow on the pass level. And then it'll be light snow the rest of the day, but I don't think the rates of snow at that point are going to be too tough for MDT. 2 to 4 inches of accumulation is likely. 4 plus is less than 50% probability. I-90 east of Missoula in southwest Montana. This is the snow level is going to fall around midnight. Rapid drops in temperature as east to northeast winds increase. The models are hinting at snow rates of up to an inch an hour for a few hours between midnight and 6 a.m. I think high probability of 4 inches and a possibility of up to 6 inches where those heavier snow bands develop. And I want to say the southern Bitterroot, I want to add that in. That's the location where some of these higher snow rates could happen also, but I don't think you'll have more than 4 inches in that location, but up to 4 inches in the southern Bitterroot is possible. I want to talk about the Camas Prairie. Snow's going to mix in after midnight, but the temperatures are not going to fall until later on Sunday. So the temperature is going to stay right around freezing for most of the morning. But as the system starts to move to the east, you're going to see the winds turn to the north, and you may have enhanced rates of snowfall with that upslope flow there. So just before 6 a.m., I think that there's going to be a good possibility of some enhanced rates of snowfall. And for that reason, 2 to 4 inches is possible in that location, and then light snow through the afternoon on Sunday. All right, let's look at that 6 to 10 day outlook. Above normal precipitation is favored, and like I said, it's going to be below normal temperatures. All right, the threat matrix. Friday and Saturday, moderate for northwest Montana. Friday is going to be pretty much right at Mirage Pass for snow and wind. And then for the rest of northwest Montana on Saturday, snow and wind. And it'll be progressively further south. The southern Flathead by late in the day, Mission Valley by evening, etc., etc. And then on Sunday, we're looking at high impacts for northwest, west central, and southwest Montana to include Lemhi County. And that's going to be for snow and wind in northwest Montana, and then snow everywhere else. I did not mention Lost Trail Pass, but Lost Trail Pass could have the 1 inch an hour snow rates Sunday morning with a total of 4 to 8 inches over that time period. And then, like I said, we'll talk about this on Sunday during the planning briefing, a light snow event Tuesday and Wednesday. Well, thank you for attending this briefing. Our next briefing will be on the 9th of November on Sunday. Have a great day.